YQY-220 series of portable oxyhydrogen welders are ideal products to replace oxygen-acetylene welders. They have advantages of effective, energy-saving, non-polluting, safe, vast capability, etc. Basic working principle: take water as material, electrolyze water to have hydrogen and oxygen, and then emblaze hydrogen and oxygen to gain flame in high temperature, to start welding and cutting. Oxyhydrogen welders can weld back metals, color metal boards, tube materials, and other melting materials. Compared to other types of welders abroad, YQY-220 series of movable oxyhydrogen welders owns below characteristics. 1. Notable economic benefit: low cost. This machine only need to add electrolyte for the first time to start the machine, and for later come you only need to add ordinary tap water. 2. Non-polluting. The working principle is electrolyze water to have hydrogen and oxygen, and then emblaze hydrogen and oxygen to gain flame in high temperature. In this process, no venomous object comes into being. 3. Safety. This machine has circuit automatic protection system, temperature control protection system, backfire defending protection system, press control protecting system to make sure of safe working. 4. Vast application. Oxyhydrogen welders can weld black metals, color metal boards, tube materials, and other melting materials. 5. Vast capability. They can be used in any place with a power source. 6. Convenient operation. This machine has automatic controlling system. If the worker owns acetylene technology, then he can use the machine just through short time familiarity. 7. Strong working continuity. This machine can work continuously for quite long time. 8. Conveniently movable. The machine can move conveniently, applicable for those welding and cutting tasks that need move often. This product is mainly composed with electrobath, gas water container, cooling system, safety protection device, and circuit system. 1. Check whether all parts and connectors of machine are complete. 2. Check whether electrical source lines are connected correctly in accordance with the indicating plate. 3. Check the fastness of grounding lines of the machine shell. 4. Check the veracity of all meters and make adjustments. 5. Check whether the backfire defending device is in the standard water level. 1. Infuse water to backfire defending device. Use wrench to unscrew the fusion cobra. Add water to the standard scale. Then tighten the cobra. 2. Infuse water to water tank. Add KOH solution for the first time to use the machine, but later you only need to add tap water. Please note, not infuse too much water to prevent the water from overflowing. 3. Connect the gas supply pipe. Please pay attention to differentiate the air opening from the oxyhydrogen opening. 4. Junction box. Plug in the power source line and grounding protection line according to the marks. 5. Start the machine. Turn the current adjustment knob to the smallest level first. Then, turn on the power source switch and check whether the working indicating light is in the course of nature. Press the start key. Adjust the current according to the operation requirement. 6. Open the oxyhydrogen gas valve of the welding and cutting gun and embrace the gas to start welding and cutting. 7. Cut fire process. First, turn on the air pump switch. Second, open the air valve of the welding and cutting gun. Then, close the oxyhydrogen gas valve of the welding and cutting gun. After the fire is putting off, press the stop knob of the machine, turn off the air knob and air pump switch, and open the oxyhydrogen gas valve of the welding and cutting gun. 8. Turn off the power source switch to finish the work.